Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up WONLINK AX1800 Wi-Fi 6 Extender using the WPS push button. This is the easiest method to set up the extender within 2 minutes without any username or password. If you're looking for the best extender that gives you the perfect Wi-Fi range coverage, then this video is specially made up for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. First of all, plug the WONLINK extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait until the power LED becomes solid. This means the extender has finished booting and is ready. Locate the WPS button on your router, often labeled WPS or has a symbol like circle or 2 arrows. Press the button once briefly, 1 second. The router will now open a 2-minute WPS pairing window. During this time it searches for devices to connect. On many routers, a WPS light will start blinking to show it's ready. Within those 2 minutes, go to your WONLINK extender. Press the WPS button once, do not hold it too long, otherwise it may reset the extender. The extender's WPS or Wi-Fi LED will start blinking quickly, meaning it's trying to connect with the router. Allow 30 to 60 seconds for the devices to handshake. The extender's WPS/signal LED will turn solid, green or blue depending on model. On your router, the WPS light will also stop blinking. If the light will keep blinking or turn off, then repeat the process again. Once pairing is successful, unplug the extender. Move it to a location halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Plug it into a wall socket and wait for the power and signal LEDs to stabilize. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.